snare right there. You guys can see it. Nice trail. It goes back in there. So I don't know if you guys can see yet. It's been dark out. I already got 4 coon, and a lot of my pans, a lot of the pan covers are removed, so we definitely lost a few. Look at these trails. Coon trail, pretty intense. They're going in these old groundhog slash skunk holes. Nice. All right, moving right along. Dirt hole. See what we got. I think I see a yote jumping around. Yep. Nice dark yote, deep pad catch. Beautiful dog. We're gonna go ahead and take care of him and take a look at him. Had a dirt hole set right here, and then there's a field coming in, and it goes down over there. Now I couldn't set it because there's gravel right here, so I chose this corner as a point. But yeah, he's a nice dark yote. All right, we're gonna take care of him and move on. Yeah, you're a pretty dog. Got a nice yote right there. And I'm Chris Wilburn with G.N.Outdoors, and I'm gonna show you how to do a dirt hole set for a coyote. Now this is a remake, okay? So what you do is you bed your trap solid, dig a hole, stake it under the trap, dig a little hole for it, pound it in, or use an earth anchor. Take your trap, I'm using number 2. Put your pan cover over. If you don't have that, use cotton balls underneath the pan, or also you can put wax paper over top. So my dirt's already pre-sifted. All right, so start filling it in. My dirt's already pre-sifted. I'm using peat moss, it's underneath. I got it salted underneath too for thawing and freezing conditions. Next, as you do this, add your salt. That way it doesn't freeze. Pack as you go, it's solid. You always want it to be solid. Add a little more peat moss. Just like so. Keep adding salt. Now you want it to be a little bit lower than a dirt hole. They like to step in those low levels, remember that. And keep everything that can get caught in a trap out, and pack as you go. You're gonna wanna blend the set. Keep packing. Little grass ain't gonna bother nothing. Now I dig my holes back about 6 inches. I dig my holes back about 9 inches and a little bit offset. And then that way, if they don't completely commit, they can step in the trap. So just like that. This is just a remake. Take your gloves off. Take your lure, get a stick. And put it back in the hole. And there you go. That is a dirt hole set for canines, specifically coyotes. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Have a good day. GoPro, stop recording. All right, we're walking up on the second snare, and we got a nice red fox. So we'll go ahead and take care of him and move on. See, I got these trails set right here, and so nice fox. We'll go ahead and take care of him and get him out. It's pretty not bad. Had him on this trail right here coming in, and it goes out to this field. That one was set high. That one was set about 10-12 inches, and this one was set about 8 to 10 because I knew fox were coming through too. So we'll get him taken care of, dispatched, and move on. All right, I'm Chris Wilburn with B.N.Outdoors, and I'm going to show you how to do a canine snare set. So right here, we got a path coming in from this field, and it goes out to another adjacent field behind me. Okay, so we got a perfect little funnel down pinch point for a snare right here. I already got it preset to make this go a little quicker. Now, take your snare. Now, depending on state laws, you can fashion it to a tree that's secure, no smaller than your wrist. I usually use an earth anchor or some kind of stake. Okay, stake your trap. Now, what I'm using to support the whammy, which is right here, is one of those metal posts that you find in your front yard when people put them out there, vote for governor, blah, blah, blah. Take those, cut them in half, and you got a support system for your snare, quick and easy. What I like to do is I back the lock off 1/4 inch. That way the snare is loaded and operable. And then this one's set 12 and 12. I might move it down 10 and 10 and catch a fox just like we just did. But it's quick and effective, and pretty simple method. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching, guys.